It's a little bit after 2. Emancipation Park. The sun is hot, so you're not really gonna see a lot of people right now. Maybe in the next 2-3 hours, you'll see more people. When the sun cools down, we already can see some people. What is he doing? He's doing capoeira, Brazilian martial arts, if you're wondering. Yeah, so it's coming along good. Got a nice little bar up there called The View. It's a new restaurant. It's not open yet. Called Osteria. It's an Italian restaurant. Or maybe it is open. There's the NHT building right there, still there, even though they've moved some of their operations to different area. There's this coffee cow, Trotter's Calf. Never heard of it. I'm gonna check it out on Instagram, see what they offer. If you guys are here and you want to get your car cleaned up while you know, walk around with your family, this is the guy right here. What's the name of your company? Marble Shine. So when you come, you know, you have a nice whip, you want to get it cleaned up, make sure you look for Marble Shine. Make sure you look for Marble Shine. So while you're walking around, checking out the sights, he's cleaning up your car for you. Yeah. Jamaica is very inventive, you know, and like just creative. Like, look at this, you know, this is like hustling at its finest, man. To make something from nothing. That's awesome. Here we have the other side. You guys can see on the left is Tiffany, Don Tiff Calf, Don D-O-N, the Jamaican flag. And over there is, we got that restaurant over there. Their food is not so good. They do like jerk and all. They've been there forever. I forgot what it's called. But people that come around this area will know the name. But they do jerk and, you know, jerk chicken and you know, pork and those things. A couple, maybe like 5-6 years ago, 7, they were carrying the swing, but a lot of other restaurants came and surpassed them. A lot of other restaurants. Look at the tennis court over there. What else can I show you? You have the wax? Oh, that's where you get the name Marble Shine. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, so I work at a car dealership, and when I started, I used to do the same thing. I used to clean cars in the back. Yeah, so I know this is not an easy job. Yeah, and they keep you in shape. Yeah. Yeah, Marble Shine. Yeah.
I'm gonna tell you why I get this name Marble Shine. You can go and ask some taxi man there. Let me tell you that. Listen now. Nick, same thing. Why don't you get your man time? make him go put back no giving time. Him a go catch your out the gun and fling you one time. And I tell you, say, go and check marble shine. You are up for Christmas, gold and shine. We look in on me yard, and up in mankind.
So give them your number, Marble Shine, where they can find you. Tell them your number. 876. What's your phone number?
No, I don't have any. I have 23 charger than left.
Oh, them stole your phone?
All the while.
So where you put your phone that they're stealing your phone?
I charge and I go back. Them gone with it and left all the charger out here in the
Oh God. You need a portable power bank, man, so you can charge your phone while it's in your bag, you know? Yeah. Yeah. Wow, that's a good way of looking at it. I'm sorry to hear that.
Yeah, man, I don't make nothing worry nothing. I know material and much I buy material. Look, you see me buy dear material.
Yeah. Good quality material.
No, you see the van, the car me just done.
Nice, the taxi look really good. The taxi look really good.
Give me that jar there.
Yeah.
I do engine, clean seat, everything me do.
Everything.
Like I work on my lover from me at 14, you know.
Yeah.
Me at 56, so I work on my...
God is good to spare your life that you live to be 56. Yeah, I work at a dealership, and when I started, I was doing the same thing. I started in the back cleaning cars as well. And I like it, you know. It's relaxing and it's good exercise. You don't have to worry about working out after you clean some cars.
Yeah, and then I don't know to sanitize myself, but I remember you can't touch right.
Yeah. And you have your mask to cover up, to protect your nose from the dust.
Yeah, and then with the gas side, you go down to fender, you look on him, you look on.
How much would you charge to clean the engine bay? Yeah, oh, it depends on the condition. Yeah.
And then on the roof and the seat.
Roof and the seat.
Steam out the dirt.
Yeah. So you have all the equipment, that's good. Yeah guys, so come see the great marble shine. If you ever come to Emancipation Park with your family and your kids, and you know you wanna kill some time, you can look for him, you can't miss him, he's right here. Just ask anybody from Marble Shine. This is the spot, and then and the price is reasonable. He charged 7 bills for the outside, and look how much work he put into it. I normally just give him $1,000, give him the extra as tip, but I'm very happy with his work. Very happy. And he even told me this car needs to be waxed, and it needs to be waxed and polished, because you can see there's paint. They left it beside a wall where they were painting, and the paint splashed up. So it needs to be waxed and buff and polished. Yeah. The guy is talented though, Just come see him whenever you're here. Marble Shine. He'll take care of you. And he's very passionate about his work, as you can see. Very passionate. Take his time, Come see him. And he'll have all the things. I'm surprised he told me you can do engine shine as well without water, which is the best way, because you never want water in your engine bay. So once someone told me they can clean the engine area with no water, you have to be skilled to be able to do that. And look, Mav is gone, and then just dip it in there and just squirt the water on the car. Come on, man. There's some talented people in Jamaica. Creative. So I'm here, guys. Like, share, subscribe. Help me to grow this channel, you know. I'm putting in the work. I know it's gonna take a lot of work. Watch this guy taking a picture on the ground. Yeah. Cha-cha boy. Cha-cha boy. Look at those guys over there. They're doing Brazilian martial art. It's called capoeira. Yeah, kick, baby, but yeah, capoeira. Yeah. Well, my thing is, why you have to come out in the sun, in the middle of the place? All of that. But wouldn't the grass make more sense than the concrete? Yeah, that's true too. Yeah, or maybe they just love attention, so they want to be in the middle. Capoeira, capoeira, yeah, capoeira. Yeah, guys, like and share, man. I'm putting in the work. I need 1,000 subscribers to make this channel official. Work with me, man. I'm just a regular guy. I don't really have the expensive equipment or anything like that. It's just a cell phone I have, you know. But I'm just trying to make do with just the cell phone, and maybe in the future, after I put in the work, I can afford to get the proper equipment. That somebody's telling me the video is too shaky. I'm moving too much. Yeah, sorry about that. There is Trotter's Calf over there if you like foreign food, like foreign breakfast. Waffles and what else? Pancake and those things. And hey guys, Dan Tiff is in the building, you know? Yeah, Dan Tiff is in the building. Don't forget to check out our channel, Dan D-O-N, and then the Jamaican flag Tiff, T-I-F-F. For all, you know, the people them with the long belly that love to nap. She can take care of you. Yeah, that's me and her. Right after this video, we're gonna go to Spanish Town Road and North Street, which is a dangerous neighborhood, but they have a very nice restaurant there. Good food. 900. Yeah, 900 give you a big plate of rice and peas and fried chicken, and 2 bills for the natural juice, pine and ginger. We had that last time we were there. I have the video up on the page. Yeah, so I'm just waiting for Marble Shine to do his thing. This is a man where you can't really rush him, you know. So just let him take his time, and then once he's finished, we'll hit the road. And yeah. Alright guys, North Street, this is it right here. The restaurant is no joke. The name of the restaurant is right here. Jonathan Northside Street Restaurant. Alright guys, this is it. Jonathan Northside Restaurant. You can see the crowd, so you know the food is good. Here's Spanish Town Road right here. And here's the restaurant right there. Yeah, I know this is serious neighborhood. There's the soldiers right here, so you notice that, you know, this journey is not for any and anyone.